I have something to show you because it's October 1st and I got my next little Skoshbox shipment. So let's speed things along, shall we? October 2014. So, open things and try things with my assistant Devin. Okay, open that little treat box. Oh boy. Alright, oh, we got lots of stuff in here. Was this the first one? Okay, here it is. This looks like some kind of cracker for babies or something. Hey, it's got a website, happyturn.com. Okay.
Happy Turn Sunbay.
Sunbay?
Sunbay.
Sunbay.
Sweet Sunbay sticks.
Does it say what flavor they are? Or I don't know what that is. No instructions on how to open it.
If you remember last time,
Oh, that's
Sunbay
right.
was the baby food crackers. Or
Does
baby
it have
crackers.
like anything I'm allergic to in it this time?
No.
Oh well. Let's see.
Just a rice cracker with a little bit of seasoning on it.
Right? I mean, they're kind of on the bland side once you get past the seasoning, but they're okay. Alright, what's next? Man, there's a lot of stuff in here this time. What's that? Is that this? What is it? Is it this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this thing?
Yeah.
Okay. This is
Pikachu grape gum.
Pikachu grape gum. Well, for sale in Japan only. I'll open it up and look at it and I'll let you try it. Let's see. This is kind of a weird gum stick. I think they had some like this last time. I wonder if that's supposed to be like a little fortune thingy, you know?
Ooh, it sure smells like grape. Okay, what's next?
Got a bunch of samples this time. What is next, man? You're not being a very good co-host. Black Thunder Bar. Okay, that's this one. That's this one. Okay. Black Thunder Bar. Oh boy.
Crispy Rice Puff Chocolate.
Crispy Rice Puff Chocolate. Oh, this has got a little melty. How long was this sitting outside? So, does it say what all is in this? I mean, I would assume, I mean, it kind of looks like by the wrapper there's like some pretzels and some puffed rice, maybe some chocolate. I mean, like, you know, crunchy chocolate bits, like cookies from, you know. It's alright, it's not cool. It's just, it's not like crisp rice actually. It's kind of like a cookies and cream. Like it's got cookie, like Oreo bits. Okay, what is next? Summer Kinoko Choco with brown sugar jelly filling. There is one for each of us, so here, I'll open yours up for you. These little orange wrappers. It looks almost like a caramel-ish or butterscotch, maybe.
Let's see. Let's see if I got jelly filling just like that.
The flavor that my brain's rolling around isn't coming to mind, but I mean brown sugar, maybe butterscotch.
Brown sugar. That is interesting.
Lychee gummy. Oh, that's these things. Oh, there's two of them. You could try one too. It's like a. Ooh, it really smells like lychee. It's like a. It's almost like a lychee. It's a fake lychee, is what it is.
Okay.
It's a gummy lychee. They nailed that one. Okay. Brown sugar and milk senbei. Tastes like caramel popcorn. Okay, that's these things. Huh. Again, I think this is another rice cracker. There's two of them in there, so we each get to try one. There you go. What do you think? Does it taste like caramel popcorn?
It kind of smells caramelly. Popcorn.
It's like a bit higher quality of those Quaker pop thingies. You know, like the miniature rice cake snacks. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. More flavorful and like they use brown rice instead of white rice, maybe. WA soda tab candy. Okay. That's this. We only got one of these. Soda tab candy. What's the next one?
Strawberry jelly filling marshmallow. Chibi Maru.
What's that one?
Pokemon Monster Ball Candy.
Does it say what flavor?
Guess the Pokemon.
Oh, well, here. Since there's only one of each of these, I'm going to have this one, and I'll let Devin have this one. So, you can guess that Pokemon's. I don't know what Pokemon's it is. Who knows? You got. I guess it. Spicy. Christ. I don't know this Pokemon. I don't know this Pokemon. Do you know this Pokemon? Who's this Pokemon? Okay, time's up. Who's that Pokemon then?
It's that new bat Pokemon.
That new bat Pokemon. Man, they come up with weird names for these Pokemon. That new bat Pokemon. I can just see that Pokemon going around saying, that new bat Pokemon. That new bat Pokemon. That new bat Pokemon. Is that his name?
It's that one.
Oh, that's supposed to be his name?
I don't know.
Japanese? I don't know. I'm not Japanese. I just eat it. Here, you eat this. You want me to eat this? Do you want this one? This is the soda tab one. I guess I'll eat this one. I thought you said it was gonna be maybe strawberry. Oh, okay. So it's like a little Pokeball. Ah, it's cute. Spicy. I mean, if somebody were to think soda was spicy because of the carbonation, they may call it spicy. But this is a hard candy and I'm not going to eat it that fast, so I'm going to put it back real quick and eat the last thingy. Okay. And that you said that was these strawberry marshmallows. That's cute. I'm not a huge fan of strawberries, but I'll still give them a try. Okay.
It fizzes. It fizzes in your mouth.
Oh, that soda tab. It's not actually that bad. I'm not a really big fan of strawberry flavored candies,
I am.
but Devin is. I'll have another one. That's because I like this. Okay. Okay. Well, there's the last one in there. But yes, I have enjoyed this installment of Skoshbox. Finish these off and, well, I was gonna say, I'm pretty sure I haven't ruined my dinner, so I'll go ahead and get dinner ready after this, and we'll have some teriyaki chicken. But this has been another installment of opening the Skoshbox and sampling my Japanese noms. And we will see you next month on the next Skoshbox.